Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm creating this beautiful bronze gold look which I wore for one of the Indian functions that I attended recently, and to achieve the same please keep watching. So I have already prepped my skin. I have used my moisturizer and using the Smashbox pore minimizing primer I'm applying that all over my face so that the foundation glides on smoothly. After which I am going to mix in the L'Oreal illuminator along with my Estee Lauder foundation and applying that all over my face, and also making sure I'm blending that seamlessly. So once I have blended the foundation completely, I am then taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and using the LA Girl Pro Concealer for highlighting and applying that on the highest points of my face. Applying that on the bridge of the nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow and chin as well, and blending that with the beauty blender. Then I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix powder and applying that on the places where I have applied concealer, and then using the luxury powder by Makeup Revolution and applying that just under the eyes just to make sure there is no creasing. I'm just spritzing my makeup fixing spray so that all the powders blend in properly. I'm taking my MAC bronzing powder and contouring my cheeks, my forehead as well as the jawline. Now taking the Makeup Revolution blush palette, I'm using the dark pink and the corally pink and applying that on my cheeks and blending that with the contour that I applied. I'm taking my Benefit Goof Proof eye pencil and I'm going to fill in my brows. I fill in my brow area. And then I'm using the same Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and applying that on top of my lids to cover any darkness. Using the Hudabeauty palette, I'm using the shade Sandalwood and applying that on the crease area. And then taking a tapered brush, I'm using the color Henna from the same palette and applying that into the crease. And using the shade Cocoa and applying that on the outer corner of my lid. Using the NYX Intuitive Contour palette, I'm using the gold shade from that and applying that on my lid area using my fingertips. And then using the Hudabeauty palette, I'm using the shade Trust Fund and applying that glitter on top of the gold that I applied. I'm applying the same crease shades on the lower lash line and blending that well. And taking the highlighting shade from the NYX palette and applying that on the brow bone, I'm applying that on the inner corner. And using the same highlighting shade, I'm applying that on the highest points of my cheek, on the bridge of the nose, on the cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. For my eyes, I have applied the Sephora eyeliner on the lid, used the Nykaa Kajal pencil on my lower waterline, and used the Sephora V for volume mascara on my bottom and upper lashes. It was getting a little hot here, so Now I'm taking my lip liner from Gosh and kind of lining my lips, and also going to fill them in a little bit using the Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color and applying that on my lips. And this is the final look. This is an awesome makeup tutorial which can be worn for any Indian functions, for any Indian wedding guest, or any ethnic attire that you want to go. You can properly dress up with proper jewelry and proper outfit, and you will be good to go. This will look awesome on anybody. So this is the final look, and if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share and comment as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.